And we'll keep a progress report on them for you guys. Out for now. Ready. Busy. Let's see Pinky. Starting to really run around now. Thank you guys. Down to 3 feedings a day versus the 4. That'll get a little fired up in the morning. So yeah, here we go. So don't keep up with the arms. Probably Pinky there. Keep up with the whole stick in the running.
Walk all night. Yeah, you do the walk all night.
Okay, got it back.
Here comes Johnny, gonna tell you the story. Hand me now my walking shoes. Here comes Johnny with the power and the glory. Backbeat, the talking blues. He got the action, he got the motion. Yeah, the boy can play. The dedication, devotion, and turning all the night time into the day. The song about a sweet little woman. They do the song about the night. Then they do the walk. Do the walk all night. Yeah, you do the walk all night.
Just still open that road.
Here comes Johnny singing oldies goldies. Babalula, baby, what I say. Here comes Johnny singing, I got a woman down in the tunnel trying to make it pay. He got the action, he got the motion. Oh yeah, the boy can play. The dedication, devotion, and turning all the nighttime into the day. And after all the violence and double talk, it's just a song in only trouble and the strife. You do the walk. Yeah, you do the walk all night. You do the walk all night. Woo.
Yep. That is still a little bit bigger. They're hanging together pretty tight. That's it. How you doing this morning? You look like you're doing good. Hi, Pinky. There comes Busy. Got the collars back on them because they came back. Abs was, hi Abs. Hi, good girl. Hi, good morning. How you doing, sweetie? How you doing? Yeah, October 24th, and the fawns are doing great. Abby here took a couple of days off and went out and about into the woods, ran around with her friends, and decided to come back. Pinky stayed here the whole time, so we weren't sure what was going to happen there, but we took the collars off when they came back. And one shot was the first deer that was in our front yard, which I'll show you. And I came outside to see what the hell is going on. And there he just got done shooting our second deer. As you can see, they were right by the house and never ever bothered making a knock on the door, a phone call, anything at all. Just came up and shot him with his shotgun. There's the man of the hour right there. I'll go show you the second one he shot. I'm sure it wasn't too much of a challenge at about 10 feet away. Those are finest. Forest Lake's finest, shooting their shotguns in our yard, killing
I know, yeah. He's not going to make